Basiq starter kits are example applications that have been fully integrated with the Basiq API, providing a gold standard solution to our most common partner use cases. With a minimal setup and a customizable front end, they're designed to be plug and play, allowing you guys to focus on your own product's innovation and get to market fast. So whenever a partner integrates with us, there is time spent reading documentation, understanding the platform, planning, and then of course, hitting the development and delivery phase, which all takes a lot of time and effort. We saw an opportunity to help our partners by drastically reducing their time to market. And this is where our concept for starter kits was born. With our starter kits, we had 4 key areas of focus. Firstly, looking at acceleration, cutting down that time to market. Next, looking at consumer experience for both Basiq customers and their end users. Of course, looking again at style and brand configuration, so easily being able to produce something beautiful and native to any brand. And last of all, best practices. So tried and tested implementations that adhere to our brand guidelines. We look forward to seeing what you create with the Basiq Developer Starter Kits. Check out our Developer Hub for more details at basiq.io/docs or get in touch with the team via our Contact Us.